everyone, welcome to our channel Knowledge Hub. Friends, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon for the latest update. Today we're going to start with your reasoning class and this is your class Try Yourself. Last topic जो हमने डिस्कस किया था वो क्लासिफिकेशन किया था. क्लासिफिकेशन ऑलरेडी हमने एक्सरसाइजेस कर लिए थे जिसमें हमने 332 क्वेश्चंस ऑलरेडी अटेम्प्ट कर लिए थे. आज जो हम कर रहे हैं ट्राई योर सेल्फ वो कॉम्बिनेशन है क्लासिफिकेशन की जितनी भी हमने एक्सरसाइजेस किए फॉर योर सेक कि आप उसको आप उसको ट्राई कर सकते हैं एंड यू विल बी गेट टू नो कि आपको वो कितना क्लासिफिकेशन टॉपिक क्लियर हुआ है. अदर देन दैट इफ एनी प्रॉब्लम you have you can just tell me. I will be telling you the answers here, but yes, you have to solve by your own side so that you can match it out either you are right or not. Okay, let's go ahead. This is the class 201th class. 200 क्लास 200 क्लासेस हम ऑलरेडी कर चुके हैं रीजनिंग के, जिसमें हमने जो कवर अप किया है उसमें हमने वर्बल रीजनिंग कंप्लीट कर लिया है, जिसमें जनरल मेंटल एबिलिटी एंड द लॉजिक रीजनिंग वी हैड कवर अप. In general mental ability, if I am going ahead, so here in the general mental ability we had completed your the analogy, classification, series completion, coding, decoding, blood relation, puzzle test, sequential output tracing, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test, number ranking time sequence test, mathematical operations, logical sequence of words, arithmetic reasoning, inserting the missing character, data sufficiency, decision making, assertions and reasons, situation reaction test, and verification of the truth of the statement as well. Other than that, logic reasoning, we had covered up the logic, statement argument, statement assumption, statement codes of action, statement conclusion, deriving conclusion from passages, theme detection, question statement, and miscellaneous logical puzzles as well. Other than that, we had started with the non-verbal reasoning where we had completed the more than 1000 questions of series, and in the 500 questions did about analogy and classification we had, as I told you, about 322 question we had done in the last class, but now we'll hopefully we'll complete more than 350 questions here. And for that, this is your non-verbal reasoning which is you have to try by your side here. Let's go ahead to start with the 333rd questions of the session. In these type of a question we have to do as same as what we had done in classification, but some of the instructions I will be giving you here. For that, those who had visited our channel the first time, for those that in each of the following questions you have to choose the figure which will continue the sequence established by the problem A, B, C, D and E respectively, where there were the 4 problem figures and there were the answer figures as well, that what we have to solve it out here. So for this is been the figure A, B, C, D, E. This has been the figure 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively as well. So on the same cases, that what we have to talk about it, which we have here, and that is on the same behalf of it we'll talk about it. The answer for these among the figure that has been following the characteristics or following the same properties, for that we have as an answer is that they are forming is your the first one will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead for the another one here, that what we have to talk about it, which is the another question. This is being named as A, B, C, D, E. That is your 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively as well. So in among these, as you can see, there are the upper, then we have a rotation, then we have a change, then we have a rotation, then we have upper, and then we of course we have a rotation. So that is with the rotations that they are following is the first one, the figure that we have as an answer. You have to give the reasons here for the comment section as well. Now we'll go ahead with the 335 question of the session, that is your problem figures. These were the answer figures here, named as A, B, C, D, E. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively here. Among these type of a question, if you go ahead, you can see the pattern what they are following. 1, then 4, 1.5, then 3 lines, then 4 lines, then upwards then 5 lines. It will be that we have a, the next we have a 6 lines, so there are 6 lines in almost everything. So here in the same cases that the pin and arrow and then the right pin here, and then of course the rotation has been taken place. So according to that the answer we have is your the third figure will be the right answer for this question. You have to just give for the reason that I am telling you the answer, but you have to do you by on your side, that are you able to solve it out by your own side or not, are you able to do or not. Okay, so this is try yourself, but I am just telling you the answer as well so that you are clear about it, that are you doing a right way or not. So 336 question, these were the problem figures, these were the answer figures. Question mark, equal, and we have a triangle, multiplier, shaded circle and square. This has been A. Square, then equal, triangle, multiply, shaded circle, squares and arrow, question mark, which is B. This is star here, equal, question mark, rectangle, circle, multiply and triangle. C, which is triangle, and then equal, question mark here, and triangle. Then we have a shaded circle and cross here. So this has been the D figure, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively as well. Among these, the figure that we have as an answer is your second figure will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with 337th question of the session. These were the problem figures and these were the answer figure. Multiply circle equal S, C and N, which is figure A. Cross, and then your circle S and equal C and N, that is figure B. N circle S and equal and C and multiply, that is figure C. NCS equal circle and multiply, that we have is a figure C. D, and then we have your NC and equal S and circle and multiply, this is figure D here. E here. This is figure 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. So among these type of a question you have to answer it out, and in this, that is also we have is your the second figure will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with other one, that what we have to talk about it, which is the another one is your 338 question of the session. These were the problem figures and these were the answer figures as well, which is named as A, B, C, D and E. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively here. Among these here, that is the answer we have as your first figure will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with other one, that what we have to talk about it, which is another one is your 339th question of the session. Problem figures, and these were the answer figures where the shaded quarter and the line as well. Shaded quarter with a line, then we have a line, then we have again we have line 1 and 1, then 2 and 2, then increasing the order has been taken place, named as A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. On accordance to that, the answer which we have to find out is your third figure will be the right answer for this question as well. I will go ahead with other one which we have to talk about it, which is the another question here. That is the 340th question of the session. These were the problem figures and these were the answer figures. Here it is equal, which is A, S and equal, this is B, equal S and triangle, this is C, circle, triangle, S and equal, this is figure D, equal S, triangle, circle and plus, which is figure E, named as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively here. Among these, the options that we have, the figure that we have as an answer is the figure third will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with another one, that what we have to talk about it, which is your 341th question of the session here, and that is also an important one in reference towards the competition wise here. We'll go ahead with the 341th question, that is your problem figures and these are the answer figure. This is named as A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively here. That what we have to talk about it, which is that among these we have as an option is your fourth figure will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead with other question, that what we have to talk about it, which is the another one, that is the another question, 342th question of the session. This is in the figure A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. Among these questions here, that what we have to talk about it, and that is also an important one here. So if the answer we have is the second figure will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead with other one, that is the another questions here, which is in terms of it, if I'm talking about 343rd question of the session here. The problem figures here that has been named as A, B, C, D, E. You can see that 1, 2, 3, 4 line, 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 1, 2, 3, 4 line. So it should be the next one figure will be the 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So on accordance to that, if you can see the figure here, that is opening towards one and one line and changing the figure here is in simultaneous way. This will be in the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 figure respectively here. On the same cases, we can say that here the figure that we have as an answer is your fourth figure will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with other question that what we have to talk about it, which is the another one here, and that is the another question. This is your 344th question of the session, named as A, B, C, D and E, named as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. According to that, if I'm going ahead, where the four question that we have as an answer is your figure, that is the first figure will be the right answer for this question as well. 345th question of the sessions, we have their problem figures and there is answer figures, where circle, rectangle, equal and arrow, that is your figure A. Arrow, circle, equal and star, figure B. Arrow, equal, circle and rectangle, this is figure C. Triangle, equal, circle and arrow, this is figure D. Equal, circle, equal and arrow, and the next, that is figure E. This has been the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively here. According to this, the answer we have is your figure third will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with other one, which is your 246th question of the session here. These were the problem figures and these were the answer figures. Your multiply, triangle, arrow, square and circle, we have figure A, and that is your equal, square and triangle and arrow and circle, multiply, that is V figure. Then we have your cross or multiply, you can the pair say that, and that is your square, arrow, equal, triangle and equal, this is figure C. Here it is your the figure D. This is your figure E, where that is the triangle, arrow, equal, that circle, rectangle and a question mark here, and that is your C. That is we have your square, triangle, arrow and this one here. So this has been the figure that has been rotating from one another, and that is the one. Another, the new sign has been invented and one is reduced as well. So according to that, we'll go ahead and that has been changed one on one. So with the same respect towards it, if I'm going ahead, so that will be answered, which is your the figure that will be the fifth figure will be the right answer for this question here. That is the fifth figure will be the right answer for this question. 347th question of the session, that what we have to talk about it. This is your problem figures and these are the answer figures here. That is B not equals to, and that A not equals to Trishul, and that is your square. C not equals to triangle, the Y cut and that arrow. D, E. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively as well. According to that, the figure that we have as an answer is your figure 2 will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with another one, that what we have to talk about it, which is another one. This is your 348 question of the session. This is your problem figures and these were the answer figures, named as A, B, C, D, E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. Among these type of questions here, which is the figure that we have as an answer is your figure 2 will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with the 349th question of the session, which is S, oval, C and T. This is A, B, C, D. D is your missing figure. This is in these type of a question, what we have to do is, in these problem figures, there is a definite relationship between figure A and B. Establish the similar relationship between figure C and D from the set of the answer figures here, and that is the one missing you have to find out for this as well. So among these, what we have to go ahead, the figure that we have as an answer is the figure 1 will be the right answer for this question here. Now we'll go ahead with other one, that what we have to talk about it, and which is the another one is the 350th question of the sessions as well. So here we go ahead with another question. This is 358th question of the session. This is A, B, then we have a C, then this is the D missing figure that we have to find out. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. So among these here, that what we have to find out, the figure which we have as an answer is your third figure will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with the 351th question of the session, that what we have to talk about it. This is figure A, B. As we can see the similarities as well. The C, the D figure we have to find out. For that 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 respectively. Among these questions, if I'm going ahead, the figure that we have as an answer is your fourth figure will be the right answer for this question as well. 352th question of the session. This is your figure A, B. In this, the arrow, the new shape, multiply S and equal plus C arrow and up that and here the S here. U, and then arrow is S plus and equal. This is your the figure C, and this has been the D, which we have to find out. This has been 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 respectively here. And for among these questions, if I am going ahead, and that to be answered as well, which is the figure which we have is your figure 5th will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with the 358th question, 53rd question of the session here. We named as A, B, C. The D is the missing figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 respectively. Among these here, that the figure which we have as an answer is your figure second will be the right. Figure second will be the right answer for this question as well. Let's go ahead with the 354th question of the session. That what we have to talk about it. Named as A, B, C, D. The D is the missing figure. Named as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 respectively. Among these particular questions, if I am going ahead to be answered out, and with the same reference that the answer we have is your fourth figure will be the right answer for this question as well. Now we'll go ahead with other one, which is your 355th question of the session. That what we have to talk about it, which is your figure A, B, C, D. The D is the missing figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 respectively. With the same cases, we have to find out the figure that we have as your fifth figure will be the right answer for this question as well, and that is the missing figure which we want here. The another win in the last question of the sessions. This is your 356th question of the session. We name it as A, that is your rectangle, triangle, star, equal, and circle, multiply, and circle. This is B, this is equals rectangle, S multiply, star, and triangle, triangle. C is your multiply, multiply, equals rectangle, arrow, and S and C. The D is the missing figure which we have to find out here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 respectively. So among these, that what we have to find out here, which is also an important one, and that is we have to go ahead, and that is the another one as well. That is the figure which we have as an answer is the third figure will be the right answer for this question here. Now we will be going ahead with other question. There is somewhat B sides and that has been representing. So according to that we have an arrow, and that is we have to find out another one as well. So among now we'll end up with here, and that is 356 the questions we had done here. So in the next coming class we'll done more questions in reference towards it. And other than that, if I'm going ahead, so yeah, we will be ending it up, and then the next coming class will start with the analytical reasoning here. And other than that, we are dealing with the sociology which we had completed. We are dealing with the software engineering where we had completed unit 1 and unit 2. We had started with unit 3, and hopefully we'll end up with, and we'll surely start with the unit 4 as well in the software engineering. Other than that, we are starting with the quantitative aptitude. We had started that, and that in arithmetical section, arithmetical ability we had started with, where we had completed the operations on numbers, LCM and SCF of numbers, and decimal fractions and simplification that we are dealing with, and hopefully in the next coming classes will end up with as well. So after that, if I'm going ahead in terms of reasoning, I'm talking about we are dealing with the chemistry of class 12, which is for the academic and the competition. That is also an important one as well. Other than that, if I'm going ahead, so that in the details of what we are we in the reasoning we had completed the verbal reasoning, which is the general mental ability part, which is we had completed the analogy, classification, series completion, coding, decoding, blood relation, puzzle test, sequential output tracing, direction sense test, logical Venn diagram, alphabet test, number ranking, time sequence test, mathematical operations, logical sequence of words, arithmetic reasoning, and sorting the missing character, data sufficiency, decision making, assertions and reason, situation reaction test, verification of the truth of the statement as well. After that, we had completed your logic reasoning in the verbal reasoning, which is the logic, statement argument, statement assumption, statement course of action, statement conclusions, deriving conclusion from passages, theme detection, question statement, and miscellaneous logical puzzle as well. Then after that, we had started non-verbal reasoning, which is a part 2 of the reasoning here, where we had completed more than 1,000 questions for the series, and then we had started with that is we had completed the analogy of more than 500 questions. After that, we talk about it. So we had completed the classification, that as you can see, and that we had done the try yourself as well. After that, we'll start with the analytical reasoning. This is the fourth topic. Then after that, we'll cover up the mirror image, water image, embedded figure, completions of incomplete pattern, figure matrix, paper folding, paper cutting, rule detection, grouping of identical figures, cubes and dice, dot situation, construction of squares and triangles, figure formation and analysis, and then we'll done with a practice question set that you will have to do it by your own side, and I will be surely provide you that for the answer as well. So you just try these trials of classification so that you are able to know that how much you are getting all these classifications topic that we had done here. That is of the type 3s, we have a combinations here. And first of all, it's a huge request from my side to all the viewers, please go through with the subscribe button, and please like, share and subscribe our channel so that many maximum people can get the information at once, and even though you can also enjoy the video as well. Thank you, and thanks for subscription, and thanks for subscribing our channel here.